I was in the Republic of Georgia over the weekend. In fact, that's why I didn't do your show last week. And you have to see a place that's booming. It's unbelievable. This was a Russian satellite for a period of time, broke away. It's, you know, leaders are going to that country to find out what they're doing.
What's the industry there?
It's everything, but one of them is tourism. And what they're doing, they're building a place called Batumi. It's going to be one of the great places of the world within 4 or 5 years. I see what they're doing.
Firstly, the 5-star award for Best New Hotel Construction and Design for Georgia, and also the award for Leisure Development Georgia for their project Orbi City. That, of course, means that both awards will go to Orbi Group. Nomination for Best New Hotel Construction and Design, again for Europe. The project is Orbi City and it will go to Orbi Group.